Australia a week and a half now. It's very exciting, and this is going to be our last trip out in Scotland. It's going to be awesome. Blue skies, and first time either of us ever been up Loch Lomond, so we're very excited. Yeah, we made it to Ardrossan. We're just parked in the car park. It's £4 a day for parking, which is really reasonable. Ferries in the background, good to go. And yeah, we need to go and buy tickets now. But look how blue the sky is, man. It's going to be incredible. Hopefully it stays, get some awesome views from the top. And it's going to be a good day.
Right, so there's been a bit of a change of plan.
As always, we never stick to our plans.
We arrived at the ferry terminal and unfortunately there was a warning. Weather warning. Look at the blue skies we've got, but apparently the winds could cause the ferry to be cancelled later, which we really can't risk.
Stranded on the island.
Yeah, we can't risk forking out that money for accommodation.
Check out the view we were going to be having, look at that.
So it's a beautiful day and we're still going to try and make the most of it. We're heading up to Loch Lomond now and we're going to go and climb Conic Hill. We had thought about going and doing the Merrick, which is down Dumfries and Galloway area, but it's going to take us a while to get there. We don't have maps, the sunset's early, and we thought it'd just be safer to head to Loch Lomond, and Conic Hill's a bit of a shorter climb.
Here we're up on the hill. It only takes about 45 minutes to get up, but yeah, it's just good to be out making the most of this good Scottish weather before we leave. Very rare, and I get some fresh air. Apologies, but I was talking my mouth full, getting some on-hill nutrition. Get some energy to go up this very steep incline, but I cannot wait. Yeah, I mean, it was like Touring Taste Buds said not that long ago, you don't need to go on a massive adventure, you just need to get out there and appreciate the great outdoors. That's what we're doing. Got a nice little picnic spot for lunch. We're sheltered from the wind because it is blowing a gale. We're trying to take some photos just there and we're almost getting blown off our feet, but it's a beautiful spot for lunch. We are down off the hill, but no day out in this area is complete without stopping by Loch Lomond shores for a beautiful sunset over the water. That's one of our favourite spots. We're going to go all the way up to another spot. We'll show you on another day if we can, a bit further up the loch, but we just jumped in here, which is right down the bottom, and we're going to go and check out the sights around here.
way home now. We're absolutely shattered. It's been a cold, windy day, but it's been absolutely stunning, and what a nice way to finish our adventures around Scotland.
Yeah guys, so that's it for our Scotland escapades for now anyway. I think that'll be it before we go to Australia, but thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video, and yeah, if you've got any comments or anything like that, hit us down below. But yeah, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time, probably from Australia.
See ya!